It's 9 o'clock in the morning and this is the Angara River. So quiet here, and this is where I'm going to fly my drone. This is my situation. I left my little USB converter all because of this. Well, partly my problems were because of this. At Tamara's place, so I can't charge my batteries. So I thought, okay, I can't do a live stream. I can just do it for the YouTube. I go to update, do the fucking DJI update, and for some reason the connection keeps dropping. For the first time ever, my iPhone, the pink one that allows the tethering, is kicking the black phone off every single time I try to do the DJI update. So I can't update the firmware, which would allow me to fly more than 50 meters high and 30 meters far. Okay, so I think, okay, no problem. Why don't I go into the town, spend an hour, find a power bank, and then find some Wi-Fi, and somehow just do it for the YouTube at least. If the Wi-Fi doesn't kick me off, then fine, I can sort that out as well. Guess what? I've only got 3,500 rubles on me, so I've got to get my lunch, I've got to get my dinner, I've got to get food for the Mongolian trip, all with 3,500, and then get a power bank. And there's no guarantee that the power bank is charged fully, so I can't even do like a periscope walking tour. Fuck my life. Oh, and if it isn't clear, Tamara is not in the house, so she ain't back till 5 o'clock. The only solution I can think of with the Wi-Fi is go back to Tamara's house, stand outside the house to get the Wi-Fi signal to update the DJI. That's a good idea. Okay, a plan is formulating. I'm outside Tamara's house, which is here. She's turned the Wi-Fi off. Who turns the Wi-Fi off? My only other hope is that the Wi-Fi in the mall is free, or the hotspot works in the mall. So that's where I'm going now. What you're looking at there is my new power bank. So that's one half the equation solved. Let's see if we can get some free Wi-Fi. When I went to the riverbank earlier, it was nice and sunny. And now there's a 40% chance of rain till 3 o'clock. Things one step forward, one step back. And now I'm trying to find free Wi-Fi in 130 district. Everything is conspiring against me. All I need is just fast enough Wi-Fi to download the update and then get to the next level. Most of the shops have this symbol, so my hope is that the one I'm going to also has it. Some don't, they just have normal Visa stickers, but the supermarket has Apple Pay, so if they don't, then I'll just pay with cash for a new one and then buy my food with Apple Pay, if Apple Pay works. Otherwise I have to wait till 5 to eat. This new one's 28,000 rubles. I do have Visa on my phone, so I just set up through a very bad Google Translate. They've understood, and it looks like hopefully Apple Pay works. I've never used it before, but it's set up to be used. Hopefully I'll get the new power bank. My Apple Pay didn't work. Somewhere I got a code and I didn't enter it into the phone in time. I bought the power bank with cash, so now I have 600 rubles left. So I have the power bank, but when I press to see how much charge it has, so now I have a heavier battery with no charge, and I only have 600 rubles left, and no Apple Pay. I hope this 25% though of 16,000 is 4,000. the capacity of the other one was 6,000. Damn, son. 657 rubles. With the remaining, with $600 remaining, I've spent $250 on chicken and cheese with mushroom mixed together, broccoli, salmon and turnip and onion, potato, and then there are some wraps in the bag. And do you know what the worst part of all this is? After getting all of that organised, I've got the Mavic updated, I've got the power bank, it's charging both phones, everything's great. It's raining outside, I can't fly. I've run out of battery power on my power bank, so I have time for one scope. All because I left my USB charger at home. All because of this. Well, partly my problems were because of this. I can't believe. Anyway, I'm back home and I'm trying to recharge everything here. And hopefully I can do something, at least one thing in this city before I leave. It is, what is the time? It is 20 to 2 and I have 7 hours left in Irkutsk. I'm ringing Halifax because I don't have enough Russian money, so I need to get my Apple Pay working.
Please stay on the line and be with you as soon as we can.
Okay, thanks. I need to buy some food using my debit card because I'm out of cash. Oh yeah, I was sick, so I had to throw all the food that I just bought earlier in this episode away. What a day. Come on. After that phone call, I pretty much had to drag myself back to the city to get some new food while having the shakes. Like, my hands went white. And I thought every single time I got on these weird Russian tram buses, I was gonna puke up again. And speaking of puke, in the secret uncut private videos that I make for all donators from Patreon and Ko-Fi, there's video footage of me filling up Tamara's sink with puke. Because I thought I'd finished, and then I thought it was a little bit, and then bleh, and I just filled up her sink. I blocked it for a good half an hour, so that also killed a bit of time while I was waiting for the train. Not a good day. You had all that preamble with the Mavic, and then I get food poisoning, and I swear it was the broccoli. Had to be the broccoli. Couldn't have been the cooked meat. It was a bit of a wasted opportunity, really. I mean, I wanted some stock footage, just some flybys over the city, which would have been even just enough for the transitions, especially if I couldn't do a live video. But all because I forgot that tiny little adapter. It's amazing, like the snowball effects that get bigger and bigger after that first one has been set up. That first mistake has been set up. Poor Tamara as well. Luckily, she didn't give me a bad review in my Airbnb profile. I actually unblocked the sink with a little bit of her help. Let's not go too far into that story. But I was joking about the video. There is no video. I'm not a live blog or video blog, that am I? But I wasn't in any fit state when I got to the train station. But what was really nice is that when I got on the train, I just went straight to sleep. I could just sleep, and then I woke up in the morning, which is where the next episode will pick up from. Thanks for watching.